Say hi, Nak.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Bestie, ayan. Oh, dress up. All dressed up. Oh, back. Nagpunta shopping. Here's my outfit of the day. Ayan, so very floral tayo, guys. Super summery.
Right. Happy birthday to you. Hip hooray! Hip hooray! Hip hooray!
Deodorant.
Yeah, there is.
Oh my god. Manscaped. I didn't even know that this exists.
I didn't even know.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday, everyone. It's now 16th of December and it's currently 3 o'clock ng hapon, guys. And as you can see, iba yung setup natin today because I am working in the office with my bestie. So, kaya say hi po, uy.
Hi guys!
Kaya nakapag-vlog tayo kasi wala dito ang mga boss. Kami lang dalawa. We are the boss today. Kaya kami lang dalawa, guys. And I thought na i-start ko na yung vlog dito kasi I am leaving very soon. Like in 20 minutes, I gotta go. It is because tonight, guys, is yung Christmas, well, Melbourne team Christmas dinner. Ayan, 6 o'clock at doon sa city. Kaya I have to leave early kasi kailangan kong pick upin si Paris from the childcare and then drop her home. Si Daddy Mike muna yung mag-aalaga sa kanya while I get ready, and then yeah, I'll drive to the city. Actually, I'll drive to Ron's place later and then we'll go together sa city for our dinner. Hopefully later on pag nandun na kami sa city, makapag-vlog tayo, but I won't be bringing my camera, guys, kasi alam niyo naman very hassle pag may bit-bit yung camera and mahihiya ako, guys. Uy, nahihiya ako mag-vlog na may yung mga boss ko yung kasama ko, yung mga kasama ko sa trabaho. So, with him, it's okay. I'll vlog with him, but you know, yung mga kasamaan ko sa trabaho, guys. So, yeah. Maybe I'll take some clips and that. Maybe, Tino, I'll show you around the city later on, but I'm going to use my phone camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'll just be, you know, bringing my, guys, maliit na bag ba. So, hindi ko kasya yung camera sa bag. So, phone na lang muna. How is it working in the office again, T? Busy ka siya, guys, ay? Good?
Yeah, good. This is my second week. Yeah, it's my second day this week. It's good to be back in the office. I guess it's good to work from home, but I think having that normal, you drive to work.
Yep.
And working with you.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah. I'd be very happy working with me too.
Working with you, but like here. Yeah, just the comfort and
yeah. Umalis pala siya kanina, guys, mga 11:30. Kasi yung isang kasamahan namin sa trabaho, they went for like a lunch with, you know, one of our clients. So sila lang, guys. Ako lang naiwan dito mag-isa. So I was very quiet. Ay, walk, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna show you this. Tingnan nyo, guys. So this bike and this chair, little chair, that's from my boss. So hindi na daw niya kailangan for his daughter kasi lumaki na yung daughter niya. Binibigay niya kay Paris. So, can you help me carry that in the car?
I guess, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
you can say no because you're in the camera. Yeah, there you go. Our baby is here, guys. Say hi, Nak.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Yan siya, guys. Pinick up ko siya ng maaga kasi nga, di ba, may lakad tayo tonight. At walang ibang magpipick up sa kanya. So, ayan. It's only 4 o'clock and dadalhin na natin siya sa bahay. So, it's gonna be Paris and Daddy Mike tonight until Mama comes home. And then dito yung bike niya, guys, oh. So, she'll have fun with Daddy with this bike. Do you like this bike, Nak? What's the color of the bike?
Pink.
Pink. And where is this from?
Santa.
From Santa, because you've been a good girl, correct? Yes?
Go, go, go.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
So funny.
It's so funny. Okay, we're going now. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss ayun. Hi guys! Good evening! Evening na kasi. It's nearly 6 o'clock ng gabi. Pero may araw pa. We are now in the city with my bestie. Ayan. All dressed up. All dressed up. Back!
Party.
We're on our way to the restaurant na guys. Sa city. Diyan kami nagparko kasi medyo malapit lang yung lakad ba. Kasi tingnan niyo si ate niyo. Oh. Naka-health pa more. Ayan. So, here's Melbourne City, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa South Bank. Ayan, o. Tingnan nyo ang pa-outfit ng ating bestie of the year. Ano to, T? Nagparang shopping. Yan, yung mga bit-bit namin, guys. Mga Chris Kringle namin. Mga exchange gift. So this is the Yarra River, T?
Yeah.
Yes. So here, then marami ng mga tao, guys. And it's so good to see na hindi na kailangan talagang mag-mask. So we're here now, guys. Saan ba yung ano? Pink. Yung restaurant. Asa na gali? Okay. So, yung restaurant na pupuntahan namin, guys, is nandun pa. But I think some of our colleagues are here. Ayan, guys. Oh, may bar dyan. And I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit. T, pagkita sa outfit, B. Quickly. Okay. Back. So, it's my outfit, guys. Outfit of the day. Here's my outfit, guys. The day. Oh. Floral.
Pati ang lighting, te.
Huh?
Pati ang lighting. Dira.
Pin?
Sir, bin. Na.
Here's my outfit of the day. Ayan, so very floral tayo, guys. Super summery. Ayan.
Love.
Love!
Can you see them?
No.
I think that's the place.
You think?
Can you see what the
So that's the place there, guys. The meat and wine car. So maybe they're inside already, T.
Thing on the market.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Marcus called them. Yeah.
I just not here.
Have a look, guys. Guys, what do you think of AJ's top for tonight?
Just message me what I'm wearing. I'm like, yeah, that's cool.
Or you want to wait for the last guest?
Oh, well, better. He's not far away. He just got
He's looking for parking.
Oh, what are we ordering?
Parking
Stations around here.
Maybe just
Yeah, let's order.
Get some. What, are we going to go start or are we going to
Are we ordering the whole lot right now? Sorry? Are we ordering the whole lot?
He's gonna come back.
Oh, open now?
Open your gate.
We've got a brand.
Show me.
Seriously, really? Yeah.
Yes.
That's Ben Brown. Ben Brown. Ben Brown.
Nice.
Yes. James is the angle. Yes. Everyone, you're off the hook.
That's
Normally killed. I'm playing that game with my kids.
Oh my god.
Ball spray. Wow. Peppermint ball spray. Yes.
Wow.
I'll store all some of those kits. I'll go, that'd be a good idea.
Oh, cute.
Thank you. This is meant for me, guys. This is meant for me.
Tropical cocktail.
Is it edible?
This is what Ron
It has
got.
to be non-toxic.
Bold deodorant.
Yeah, there is.
Oh my god. Manscaped. I didn't even know that this exists.
I didn't even know.
Of all I can It's a sign. Sign.
Does it smell like balls somewhere? It smells nice though.
This is good in your face.
No, but sorry. Where is it?
It's mine.
What's Taz getting angry?
Thank you, darling.
Mabigaso ba naman sa toilet? Guys, he's already drunk. Like he went to pee and left the door open.
Oh shit, yeah. No.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Tiramisu.
Not blow up.
Thank you.
Can you
try his
style?
My family sees.
Ron, how did you get there? Ron, how did you get there?
Yeah, little. I wish.
Cheesecake.
Ronald.
This looks like a Ronald.
Do not change.
Oh shit, yeah. This is.
I'll come pick up the.
Alis sila guys, they're going out for a drink.
Tomorrow's a pricey day. Yeah. No Johns. Thanks.
Bye!
Yeah, cheese in the eggs. Good. Yeah. No problem.
Hi guys, so it's now 9 o'clock ng gabi and we just finished our dinner. Lahat sila umalis kasi gusto nilang uminom outside. Pupunta sila ng mga bars or somewhere. Pero si mami nyo ay uuwi na. Of course, meron tayong family, meron tayong baby girl na si Daddy Mike nag-message niya sa akin. Na video ni Paris, sabi na come home mama, and I really miss Paris guys and Daddy Mike. And you know,
Please. Say I love you.
there's no place I'd rather be right now than with Daddy Mike and baby Paris. But yeah, the parking is just up there guys. And I thought I'd stop here kasi gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung Melbourne City at night. Here. Kung ano yung natanggap ko sa ating first sprinkle guys. Tignan nyo, galing to sa aking boss. Ayan. So yung mga laman guys, yung mga chocolate lang and all. Ayan. And that's it. We're done here in Melbourne City guys. I'm home.
Put your cream on your boo-boo.
Mama, I'm ready.
Did you miss Mama? Did you miss Mama?
Show mommy.
Mommy, she's sweetheart.
Show mommy where you put your cream. Show mommy where you put the cream.
Wow, good job.
Ugly my
Get up.
And the hand too.
Now you brush your teeth because we have to show. Santa's gonna watch. Santa's watching.
Wow. Kiss Daddy. Well done, Daddy. Thank you.
Show Santa
Brush your teeth.
everywhere. Make it very white.
Have you been a good girl for Daddy?
Yes.
Yes? I can see. Well done, sweetheart. Mama miss you, honey. Oh, miss you? Do you miss mommy?
Show daddy.
No.
Okay.
Oh, clean now.
Smile for me. Smile. Okay. Daddy just brush a little bit.
Good job.
Smile. Smile. Smile.
Big mouth.
Big mouth. Show daddy. Show daddy. Yeah. And
Where
then
is the way?
at the back. And then the other one this side. This side. Yeah. Up.
Good girl.
Yeah. Thank you. Do you want some water?
Yes. Rinse.
Huh? You wanna rinse?
Rinse.
You wanna rinse?
Kakauwi ko lang talaga. Literally, kakapasok ko lang sa door. Ay, George, what do you want, anak? What do you want? Kiss si mama. Upsabi ko. Kiss mama. Quick. Quick. Did you miss mommy? Did you miss mommy?
Yes.
Yes.
Mommy,
You will have Didi.
Nak daddy?
Hi guys! So it's now 10 o'clock ng gabi and as you can see, nandito na tayo sa bed. Ang ating family ay nandito na. Si Paris ay hindi pa natutulog guys. It's already 10 o'clock. Anak, don't squirt the anak ha! The bulb. Shh! Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Ang laki-laki pa ng kanyang mata. Gising na gising pa. Ayan. But I'm now in bed, getting ready to rest, guys, for the night. Pero ang aking mga colleagues, they're still out for drinks. And oh my God, like seriously, guys. Even before, nung single pa ako, nung wala pa akong Daddy Mike at wala pa akong Paris, guys. Sa work, pag may mga ganyan, I always go home. Like, hindi talaga ako sumasama sa kanila. I go out for dinner, ganyan. Pero after drinks, yung mga ganyan, wala na, guys. Hindi ko na zone yun, guys. Alam niyo yun. I've been a homebody ever since. Like, yeah. I love staying at home. And especially now na meron na akong Daddy Mike at Baby Paris, guys. Like, someone is waiting for me at home. Then, yeah. Much more now ngayon na hindi talaga ako lumalabas. But it was good. The dinner was good. The place was amazing. The food was amazing. I had a steak. And I really enjoyed it. However, sobrang laki niya, guys. So, hindi ko siya naubos. But I expected it to be nice. Kasi for the price, like, mahal kasi yung restaurant na yun, guys. So, I'm expecting it to be, you know, like, good food. And, yeah, I wasn't disappointed kasi sobrang sarap talaga ng pagkain, guys. Especially the steak. And, yeah. And also, it was very funny before kasi, so, after dito sa bahay, I went to pick up my bestie. And sa dress ko kasi, guys, kailangan ko yung Hollywood tape. Yun bang para i-tape dito para hindi makita yung yung parang hindi masyadong cleavage talaga. So, dapat sana kami ni bestie ko, pupunta kami ng Priceline o wherever para bumili noon. But then, I was running out of time and malilate na kami. So, so lucky to have that supportive best friend too, guys. So, he went inside the shop and bought me the Hollywood tape. So, he was so good. But yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Actually, first time ko nakita yung ibang mga workmates ko, guys, for the longest time dahil sa lockdown. So, it's good to actually see them in flesh and, you know, because I know we see each other every week, pero video call lang, so it's very different. So, tonight was really good. And also, our general manager from Sydney came down to join us. And, ayun sila nga, guys. Yun nga, inom-inuman sila sa labas. But yeah, maraming salamat for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Sa mga bago nating mga subscribers, sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And thank you very much for considering na mag-subscribe. And now, I'm just gonna do a quick shout out before we end the vlog. The first shout out goes to Edeline Manosa, Jovey Esin, Emelita Gonzalez from Rosario, Cavite, Magrat, Carl Aisha from Cebu, A. Huablar, Sally Saminiano, and also Saminiano family from Bicol. Shout out to Fidis Piging, Pagayon Pastrana. Shout out to Irene Manal, Yet Balino, Gail, Maria Teresa Ramos Magsisi, Evert Suta 53, and also to Maria Micaela Sueta, Yangcha to Quebrahosa, and also Quebrahosa family and friends. Shout out to Ethel Carandang, and sa lahat daw ng kanyang mga co-teachers dito sa BNHS. Ayan, hello sa inyong lahat dyan. And also, shout out to Jillian Magnayi. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up na. Thumbs up.
Okay, bye.
Baby girl, thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Come bye. Good night.
that is it.
I'm kidding.